Sensitive skin requires extra care when choosing the right sun protection, and finding the perfect sunscreen can be a challenge. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 sunscreens for sensitive skin, each offering unique benefits to keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays. Whether you have easily irritated skin or just want something gentle, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore these top-rated sunscreens to help protect your skin while keeping it comfortable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Kicking off our list at number 1, Vanicream Sunscreen SPF 50+. Vanicream Sunscreen SPF 50+ is an excellent option for those with sensitive skin, offering broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. This sunscreen is formulated with a minimalist approach to minimize irritation, making it an ideal choice for individuals with skin sensitivities. Free from common irritants such as fragrances, dyes, parabens, and other harsh chemicals, Vanicream provides a gentle yet effective shield against the sun's damaging effects. It's dermatologist recommended for people with eczema, rosacea, and other skin conditions. Key features: Vanicream Sunscreen SPF 50+ is a physical sunscreen that uses zinc oxide as its active ingredient, ensuring a broad-spectrum defense. This sunscreen is lightweight, non-greasy, and designed to be water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it perfect for outdoor activities. It's also free of fragrances, parabens, and other common allergens, reducing the risk of irritation or breakouts. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, and it's safe for both children and adults with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this sunscreen offers high protection with SPF 50+, preventing sunburns and long-term skin damage. It's ideal for those with very sensitive skin, as it helps to prevent redness, irritation, and inflammation. Vanicream sunscreen is versatile and can be used during everyday activities like walking outside or while engaging in more strenuous outdoor activities. Simply apply generously to clean, dry skin 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. Usability: Vanicream Sunscreen SPF 50+ is incredibly easy to apply, thanks to its smooth and non-greasy texture. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a heavy residue, which is perfect for sensitive skin that reacts to thick formulations. The formula is also fast-drying, ensuring you're not left with a sticky feeling. It's also ideal for use under makeup, as it creates a smooth base without disrupting the rest of your skincare or makeup routine. Durability: with its water-resistant formula, Vanicream Sunscreen SPF 50+ provides reliable protection throughout the day. Users report that it holds up well, even with perspiration or water exposure, making it a solid choice for outdoor adventures or sports. Reapplying every 2 hours is recommended for optimal protection, especially if you're in direct sunlight for extended periods. The sunscreen maintains its effectiveness over the course of a day, ensuring that your skin remains protected. In the second spot, we have Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50. Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50 offers mineral sun protection that's perfect for sensitive skin. Its formula contains 100% zinc oxide, which provides effective, broad-spectrum coverage while remaining gentle on the skin. This sunscreen has been specifically designed for those who experience irritation from chemical sunscreens, offering a physical barrier without the harsh additives that can aggravate sensitive skin. It's a great option for anyone looking for high protection with a lightweight, non-greasy finish. Key features: the key feature of Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen is its zinc oxide-based formula, which protects against both UVA and UVB rays. The sunscreen's dry touch technology ensures that it feels light and non-greasy on the skin, which is perfect for people with sensitive skin who don't want a heavy residue. It's also water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, ensuring long-lasting protection even when you're sweating or swimming. Free from parabens and fragrances, this sunscreen is dermatologist tested and safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this sunscreen provides broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection, which is effective in shielding the skin from harmful UV rays. Its high SPF rating helps to prevent sunburns, premature aging, and skin cancer. The lightweight formula makes it ideal for everyday use, whether you're going for a walk, working out, or enjoying outdoor activities. Simply apply the sunscreen 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating for optimal results. Usability: Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen is easy to apply thanks to its smooth texture that spreads evenly over the skin. The dry touch finish means it won't leave your skin feeling greasy or heavy, a common issue with many sunscreens. It absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling soft and dry to the touch. This makes it ideal for wearing under makeup, as it won't leave a sticky or shiny residue. Its non-comedogenic formula ensures that it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. Durability: Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50 is durable, offering up to 80 minutes of water resistance. This means it's effective during light to moderate physical activity, like swimming or sweating. For longer sun exposure, you should reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or towel drying. Its durability is one of its standout features, as it offers lasting protection throughout your day while maintaining a lightweight, non-greasy feel. Coming in at number 3 is the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 is another excellent choice for sensitive skin, particularly for those looking to hydrate and protect their skin simultaneously. It features a gentle mineral-based sunscreen formula with broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection, making it ideal for daily wear. The sunscreen contains ceramides and other hydrating ingredients that help restore and maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, which is important for people with dry or compromised skin. CeraVe is known for its dermatologically tested products, making this sunscreen a trusted option for sensitive skin. Key features: CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen is formulated with 100% mineral sunscreen ingredients, such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, to provide effective sun protection without the irritation caused by chemical filters. It's enriched with essential ceramides, which help to restore and reinforce the skin's natural barrier. The sunscreen is also fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. Its SPF 30 offers adequate protection for everyday use, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin that requires hydration as well as protection. Benefits and usage: this sunscreen provides broad-spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays, helping to prevent sunburn, premature aging, and skin damage. The added hydrating benefits make it a great option for individuals with dry skin, as it helps to lock in moisture throughout the day. Apply CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen generously to all exposed skin 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating for maximum protection. Usability: CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen is easy to apply and feels lightweight on the skin. It has a creamy texture that absorbs well and doesn't leave a white cast like many mineral sunscreens. It's perfect for daily use under makeup or on its own. The formula is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types, including those with conditions like rosacea or eczema. It also won't clog pores or cause irritation, making it suitable for both face and body use. Durability: with its SPF 30 rating, CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen offers long-lasting protection for everyday sun exposure. It's not as water-resistant as some other sunscreens, but it provides solid coverage during typical daily activities. For activities involving water or heavy sweating, reapply every 2 hours. Its hydrating properties ensure that your skin stays moisturized and protected throughout the day. Taking our 4th spot is Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 is formulated specifically for sensitive skin, offering broad-spectrum protection with a focus on keeping the skin safe from irritation. Its mineral-based formula provides physical sun protection using zinc oxide, and it's free from fragrances and parabens. This sunscreen is ideal for those who need a gentle, effective product for daily sun protection. The Australian brand is known for its commitment to creating high-quality sun care products, and this sunscreen is no exception. Key features: Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 provides mineral-based sun protection using non-nano zinc oxide, which offers effective coverage without irritating the skin. The formula is free from fragrances, parabens, and sulfates, making it a great choice for those with skin sensitivities. It's also water-resistant for up to 40 minutes, making it suitable for outdoor activities. The sunscreen has a unique packaging feature, a bottle that changes color in UV light, letting you know when it's time to apply more sunscreen. Benefits and usage: this sunscreen offers broad-spectrum protection from both UVA and UVB rays, preventing sunburn and long-term skin damage. It's designed for daily use, providing gentle sun protection while minimizing the risk of irritation. Simply apply generously to all exposed skin 15 minutes before going outside, and reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. It's perfect for those who spend time outdoors or are looking for a sunscreen that won't irritate their sensitive skin. Usability: Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 has a thick formula that takes a bit more time to rub in, but it absorbs well and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It offers a matte finish, which is ideal for those who prefer a non-shiny look. The sunscreen is gentle enough for use on the face and body, and it can be applied under makeup without causing pilling. It's a great option for those who prefer a mineral-based sunscreen without the heavy white cast typically associated with these formulas. Durability: Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 is water-resistant for up to 40 minutes, which makes it a good option for light outdoor activities. For longer exposure to water or intense sweating, you'll need to reapply every 2 hours. Its long-lasting protection ensures your skin stays safe from harmful UV rays, and the color-changing bottle helps remind you to reapply, ensuring your skin is consistently protected throughout the day. And finally, at number 5, we have Thinksport Safe Sunscreen SPF 50+. Thinksport Safe Sunscreen SPF 50+ is a high-performance sunscreen designed with sensitive skin in mind. It provides powerful, broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays without the use of harmful chemicals. The formula is free from parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, making it suitable for individuals with allergies or sensitive skin conditions. Thinksport is committed to creating eco-friendly, non-toxic sunscreens, ensuring that not only is your skin protected, but the environment is, too. Key features: Thinksport Safe Sunscreen SPF 50+ is a mineral-based sunscreen containing zinc oxide, which provides effective sun protection. It's free from harmful chemicals like oxybenzone and avobenzone, which can be irritating to sensitive skin. The sunscreen is water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, making it a great choice for outdoor activities like swimming and sports. It also features a non-greasy, lightweight formula that applies smoothly and doesn't leave a heavy residue. Thinksport's commitment to using safe ingredients makes it a top choice for environmentally conscious individuals. Benefits and usage: Thinksport Safe Sunscreen offers strong protection with its SPF 50+ rating, shielding the skin from both short-term sunburns and long-term skin damage. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin or who are prone to irritation from harsh chemicals. Apply the sunscreen generously to clean, dry skin 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating for continuous protection. Usability: Thinksport Safe Sunscreen SPF 50+ has a smooth and creamy texture that spreads easily over the skin without feeling heavy or greasy. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a white cast, making it ideal for everyday use. This sunscreen is suitable for both the face and body, and it's safe for all ages. Its gentle formula makes it perfect for those with sensitive skin or skin conditions such as eczema. Durability: Thinksport Safe Sunscreen SPF 50+ is highly durable, with water resistance for up to 80 minutes. It offers long-lasting protection, ensuring that your skin stays safe throughout your outdoor activities. However, to maintain optimal protection, it's essential to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. The sunscreen's high SPF rating provides solid defense against the sun, keeping your skin safe and healthy all day long. Choosing the best sunscreen for sensitive skin doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially when you have the right products on hand. Whether you're looking for broad-spectrum protection, hydrating ingredients, or a sunscreen that's kind to your skin, the options we've reviewed today have you covered. Each of these products is designed to protect and soothe, leaving your skin safe and cared for under the sun. Remember to apply generously, reapply regularly, and always listen to your skin's needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert recommendations. Stay protected, and take care of your skin.